Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery on your Tesla Model X key fob. First, let's gather the necessary items. You will need a new CR2354 3-volt lithium battery, which is the recommended type. Also, have a small flat-bladed tool or even a strong fingernail ready. Finally, find a soft surface to protect your key fob during the process. Now, let's carefully open your key fob. Place the key fob with its buttons facing down onto a soft surface to prevent scratches. Look for a small notch or indentation on the bottom cover. Using your flat-bladed tool or fingernail, gently pry the cover open. If you have a lanyard, you can also pull it firmly while pressing the X on the cover to help release it. With the cover off, it's time to replace the battery. Carefully lift the old CR2354 battery out from its retaining clips, often by pushing one side and sliding it out at an angle. Take your new CR2354 battery and insert it with the plus side facing up. Remember to slide it in at an angle towards the positive contact, then press down firmly. Try to avoid touching the flat surfaces of the battery to maintain its life. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Align the tabs on the bottom cover with the corresponding slots on the key fob. Press the cover down firmly until you hear it snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test your key fob's functionality by attempting to lock and unlock your Tesla Model X. This ensures the new battery is working correctly and your fob is ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.